Welcome to Have a Happy Arty Time. My name's Janette and this is part 2 of our charcoal series where I'm going to be drawing a beautiful pear in glass. So I hope you enjoy. Let's begin. Okay, so I have my little willow charcoal stick here. So I'm just going to break a little bit more off this one. I just want to shade some of this area here. Just going down here, making a dark grungy look. That's great. And then I've got a line here that I will just add to, and it'll go up there. I know I've got a bit of black in this one, so just dragging that along there. And then we've got a lighter shading down here, and I'll need to do our outlines, but for now we'll just get some of this shading in, and very, very light just along here, and that same light here, and then we carry this dark through this part here, and we have a little bit of dark in the bottom of that pear, a few little spots. Of course we have dark in his stem, little bits of shading around him here. Okay, and then this is very light here, and a little bit of a line down here. Really loving this, it's just beautiful. Okay, and our background here. Okay, so I'm going to do my outlines now. Okay, I'm going to lay this print down where we had thought we would like it, roughly about here. Give that a nice even press down. If you get anything down here, look at that, isn't it beautiful? Even the shadings down. It's just lovely. You can see just on a few lines. Just beautiful. I'm really excited about this, but I want to add some more to this, and I want to add a little bit of green into this little one here, so some golden green. So I'm just going to get a little bit of yellow. I'm just going to use a little bit of acrylic on top of that, so I'm just going to add a little bit of the yellow just ever so gently. The charcoal staying in place just beautifully. So just beautiful. I'm going to get a little bit of the light green, and I just want to ever so gently pop a little bit of that in places. And I'm even going to add a little bit of red into this one. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry and we'll see how we go. That's great. So that's dry. I might actually go with this piece here. Okay, so I'm going to stick this down the bottom here with my trusty masking tape. Pull this back, and I think this is going to look really nice. Okay, so I'm going to put some clear on again, some of the matte gel medium. Now I've never used the Liquid-X matte gel medium before, but I did get some. So a light shake. It's very, very runny. I'm just going to put some of that over here. Give a light roll out. Now it might have to go under a heavy book, but we'll see how we go. What have we got? Wow, it's working beautifully. So it's worked really beautiful. I love this. So I've just got a tiny little bit to fix there. Just didn't pick up right there for some reason. But how's that? I just love it. So whilst it's wet, because my whole idea is trying to get everything on whilst it's still a little bit damp, and that saves anything from rubbing off. So I'm just going to put a little mark there. Just okay, and get that tiny little bit of green again just in there, just to fix him up there and add a little highlight, and I'm done. I am absolutely loving this. Now this was just a roll-off sheet. Who would have thought? A little bit of willow charcoal onto some paper and we can get such a lovely print. Absolutely loving this. So thank you so much for being with me. I hope you have a happy arty time. This has been a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing you in our next charcoal video where we'll be doing something a little bit more intricate. Okay, stay safe. Bye for now.